Here is my brand new bike. Had this bike for about 2 weeks now. As you can see, it's Canyon Neuron CL9. Very nice bike. I'll give you a little walk around of the bike so you can see how it looks like. What I like about it is the clean cable routing. There's not much around it, but that helps with SRAM electronic shifting, one less. So you get a seat dropper, front brake and back brake, and that's about it. Carbon fiber handlebar from FaceFace next, which is very nice. You get the nice shocks with a lot of adjustments. Brakes are very responsive. This bike is very nice. You get the DT Swiss overpriced wheels from Germany, and but I mean, they come with the bike, so why not? Other than that, Far Sport's much better wheel, but they do come with nice brakes. What I like about these hubs though, they are DT Swiss 240 EXP ratchet hub. So it came with a 36 tooth in the back. That's gonna be replaced with 54, so it makes more noise. It's like an exhaust for a car. Long tube headers right there. Yeah, these are XMC 1505. Very nice. Anyways, Canyon, very cool color. The back shock is, for you guys that know, this is the one. I just ride, I don't know much about technical stuff, you know. This is the medium frame, 49-inch tires. I am 5'10" and it fits very good. I got these matching pedals that are not matching at all actually, but it's okay. They're on now and they're gonna stay there. This is how it looks from the back. Very nice. Wide handlebar, a little bit too wide for me, so I'm gonna cut up on each side, maybe half an inch to an inch actually. And I'm used to race bikes, that's why this thing is too much of a cruiser for me, but you can see it from this side too. It's a very nice looking bike. Let's see what we have here. It's already dirty because this bike is getting used. It's not a garage queen. SRAM electronic shifting, very nice shifting, very responsive. But one thing that's pure garbage, it's this thing right here. This thing is complete garbage. I ordered a new one. It feels very unnatural. I do prefer my mechanical shifting better than that. The seat that came with Canyon was very nice seat, but very small, and had to order a bigger one from the best manufacturer out there, Specialized, you know. Specialized, they never let you down. This seat, we're gonna test it out today. I already have one on my other bike, so I know it's not gonna disappoint. But okay, that's an easy modification. And we're gonna be riding today to see where we at. The weight of the bike, it's advertised as 13 kilos. It was weighed in at 12.8 kilos, so that's good. At least they're not lying about the weight. Canyon is a very good brand. My buddy would say that too. He's a 84 Turk Monster. His favorite bike is Canyon because it's all about bang for the buck. And these are the front brakes, and these ones, whatever you call them, not good either. I ordered new ones. Look at that sexy machine. And that's that.